world is vast, and its pulse never rests. In every corner, in every industry, challenges rise as fast as ambition. But distance should never be the cost of progress. This is where service becomes partnership. We are rooted where you grow, speaking your language, respecting your rhythm, and arriving when it matters most. 130 sites, 150 experts, one global heartbeat. We don't just offer service, we offer certainty because we care about the small details that drive big dreams. Together, we turn challenges into the next step forward. Because we care.